Hello guys, welcome to the 11th question set of the DBMS video series. From this question there will be 5 videos for this question number 11. So this is the first question of the question number 11. So here is our question. Bill books record the day-to-day business of the next mobile store. Because of this, the shop owner has calculated the daily income and expenses at the end of the day. This action made him very uncomfortable. The shop owner decides to use computer software to make this task easier. The shop owner has requested the creation of a computer software to software development company called Tirina Gayatri Soft to create the computer software for this purpose. You are a senior software engineer in this company. You need your team and tasked with developing the software database. The software must have these requirements. Here there are some requirements that should meet when completing this database. So our first requirement is the store employs 5 people. All employees should be able to use this software. Customers should be able to register, must be able to register suppliers, should be able to review billing details provided by suppliers, must be able to review details of bills issued, must be able to include details of items sold in the store. And we have to create a database called Next Mobile DB. So here, this is our question. In the first question, create the user table needed to enroll employees in this software. Do this by following the instruction below. Here, as the same as the previous question, they have given all the details when we creating the table. First, we have to create the database and we have to name it as Next Mobile. So I'm going to open my MySQL Workbench. Then under the schema section, I'm going to right click and select Create Schema. Before creating this, in here there are some requirements. So we have to decide whether we have to create this database in a ER diagram or not. In here, to the requirements, I think we have to create this database in a ER diagram. So therefore, we do not have to create under schemas. We have to click file here, then click new model here. Then in here, click MyDB, and here then you have to change the name to Next Mobile DB. Then to create an ER diagram, you have to click Add Diagram here. Then here you can see the workspace to create an ER diagram. So our next question is create the user table needed to enroll employees in the software. Do this by following the instructions below. Here there are some details and here there are about 5 columns in this table. So let's create our table. Okay, you have to select this, place a new table icon here, then double click. Then the table name will be user. Then our first column is user underscore ID, and our data type will be integer, and it should be auto increment, and it is our primary key. We use integer data type because we have to set this as auto increment. Unless if the data type is not integer, auto increment option will not be take place. So our next column is username, then password. In here, username data type will be varchar and length is 50. Okay, now our next column is password. Here the length will be also 50. Our next column is user type. we are using this user type column because we need to identify whether it is an admin or employee or manager or the super admin. Likewise, we have to identify the user type. Therefore, we are using this user type column here. Then we are using the status. We are using status because we have to identify whether the employee is activated or not, whether he is available or not. To identify that, we use this status column. In here, our data type will be varchar and length will be 1. We are using a length of 1 because we have to set only one word, whether it is 1 or 0. So we are using the data type varchar and length about 1. So we have completed our user table here. As you can see, now we have to forward engineer this table. In here, in the database option, we have to click forward engineer here. Then we have to click next, 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 next. Okay, here you can see forward engineer finished successfully. Then you have to click close here. Okay, now we have created our table. So this is the end of the video, and this is the first video of the question set 11, and we will meet again from the second video of the question set 11. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.